No wonder every wise and successful person on the face of the earth is of the same opinion. Make sure you don't make choices today that you will severely regret tomorrow. But how can you understand which choices are the right ones and which are not? Well, life has a way of imparting all the right lessons at the right time, and not everything will be in your control. Let life do its thing, but at the same time be self-aware so that you don't make the wrong choices that you might regret 10 years later. 1. Not being your true, authentic self. This is one of those choices you will regret after 10 years for sure. It is not your job to satisfy everyone and do what makes them happy, and honestly, it's not even possible. If you constantly think about how others are perceiving you and what they are thinking about you, you will end up being a shell of the person you are. The onus of making everyone happy is not your responsibility, and you need to understand and accept that. Not everybody is going to love you for who you are, but always remember that the right people will. Don't be scared of the judgments other people are throwing your way, because there will always be people who would want to pull you down. Be yourself no matter what, and show the real and authentic you to the world. The right kind of people will always respect you, and the wrong ones will always criticize, even if you bend over backward for them. Life is too short to be someone other than yourself. 2. Letting other people tell you what your dream should be. This is your life, and the dreams you dream are yours only, nobody else's. So never let anyone tell you what you should dream and how you should go about them. Always be true to who you are and your goals, and never let anyone tell you otherwise, be it your parents, spouse, or friends. If you have people disagreeing with you, then blow it off and understand that you are standing your ground, believing in your dreams, and are choosing to walk on the path you have built for yourself. As long as you are happy in your heart and you know you are doing the right thing, do what you want with your life. 3. Having toxic people around you. Toxic people have the capacity to ruin people's lives, including yours, with their negativity and toxicity. Having them in your life is like wrapping the noose tighter around your neck with your own hands, despite knowing that you are the one who's going to get hurt. The moment you realize you have someone toxic in your life and all they want to do is to see you unhappy and destroyed, kick them out. If you keep on giving them innumerable chances, it will be one of those many choices you will regret after a few years. Surround yourself with good, kind, and successful people who will help you stay on the right path in life and push you towards greatness. Who you surround yourself with will define who you are as a person. Being with toxic people will turn you into a toxic, unhappy, and bitter person, and being with good people will make you someone who is compassionate, ambitious, and empathetic. 4. Being egoistic and self-obsessed. When you live a life where you do good for others and help others whenever you can, that is the true definition of living a good life. The more you love others and be kind to them, the better you will feel, and the more you will attract good karma in your life. What you put out in the universe has a way of coming back to you. But if you choose to be selfish, egoistic, and narcissistic, no matter how wealthy or good-looking you might be, at the end of the day you will not be happy. When you will be in your twilight years, you will look back and see how much hurt and pain you have caused other people, but you won't be able to do anything to change all that. All you will be left with will be regrets. 5. Running away from growth and change. If you want to know your past, look into your present conditions. If you want to know your future, look into your present actions. In order to really progress in life and be a successful person, you need to be able to get out of your comfort zone and sometimes tread the unknown path. The only way to thrive in life, reach your fullest potential, and make the most of what you have been given, it is important to focus on change and growth. Life is a dynamic thing, and change is the only constant. As long as you understand this, you will have a fulfilling and happy life. 6. Quitting when things get challenging. Life is always going to throw challenges and curveballs your way, and there is nothing you won't be able to do about it. This happens to everyone, and there is not a single soul in this world who doesn't go through this. There is no success without failures. There is no strength without falling down and getting hurt. Things that are worth it will never come easy to you. and it is up to you to decide whether you want it enough or not. If you end up quitting whenever things get rough, you will never be able to get what you want, and it will be one of those choices you will regret after 10 years. If you give up every time you are faced with a challenge, you will never be able to fulfill your dreams and achieve your goals. Winners never quit, and as long as you have a winner mentality, nothing will be able to keep you down for long. 7. Trying to control everything. Planning your future and being prepared for certain things is a good attribute to have, as it shows your seriousness towards life. But at the same time, you need to relax sometimes and let life happen. Try to go with the flow and try to stop yourself from controlling every little aspect of your life. If you constantly keep on micromanaging every little thing, when will you actually live life? Having a plan is okay, but limiting yourself to routine and rules is just going to prevent you from enjoying the good things that life has to offer. So don't micromanage and don't try to control everything. Just let it flow. 8. Accepting things you don't deserve. Have the strength to let go of things that are not good for you. Have the courage to let go of people who are doing nothing but bringing negativity into your life. Be smart enough to know what you deserve, and wise enough to know that you might have to wait some time for it, but it will definitely come your way. Life might knock you down at times, but it's all so that you can get up again and stand taller than you ever did before. Be open-minded and brave enough to see a million possibilities that life has to offer. Why waste your time and energy on things that only suck you dry? Focus on good things and good people, and you will see how beautiful and worthwhile life truly is. 9. Obsessing about the future. This is one of the choices you will regret for sure in the future. Most people tend to make the mistake of thinking that they have all the time in the world to do what they want to do. But the truth is, life goes by in a blink, and before you know it, you're 80 years old with a bucket of regrets of all the things that you couldn't do when you had the time and opportunity. Focus on the present. Do what you want to do now. Why wait for doing something that you can do today? Life is too short to wait around for the right time, and you know what? There is no right time. If you want to do something in life, do it now, instead of obsessing about the future or postponing it for the future. 10. Wasting your days being lazy. If you think that the world owes you something, then boy, you are wrong. The world does not owe you anything, rather you owe many things to the world. It is your life, and it is up to you to make something out of it, and nobody else is going to do that for you. So wasting your days being a couch potato and daydreaming is not going to help you have the life you have always dreamed of. Rather, it will be one of the many choices you will regret later. Don't sit around waiting for someone to hand you everything on a silver platter. Go out there and get it. Whatever dreams and goals you have, you are the one who needs to work hard for it. And when you finally achieve glory, it will be yours only. Life is short, so don't go around making choices you will regret later. Work hard to build the life you have always envisioned for yourself, and most importantly, have faith in yourself. How you think today and what you do today will define how your future is going to look.